And Donald Trump has vowed to crack down on narcotics that enter the US while threatening punishment for countries that refuse to help him. Ecuador doesn't produce drugs but helps move them around South America and into North America. Now forces there are helping to track down the leaders of the drug gangs involved.
These house raids aren't subtle. Ecuadorian police smash their way inside. They're looking for drugs for sure, but the priority is the dealers. Any intelligence they can get from them could lead the Ecuadorians and their American partners further up the chain of command, to the bosses who oversee the smuggling network. This is what President Trump wants to see. Countries like Ecuador supporting his war on Latin American drug cartels. And the message has got through to the police here.
There's a lot of pressure on countries like Ecuador from the United States to take the fight to the gangs. Do you listen to that and say, okay, we
listen about the United States are giving us money and guns, technology, that we are so happy about that.
These raids are non-stop. This is a dangerous neighbourhood, and Lynx and his team are revved up. All of the police have their weapons out for some time in being here. This guy's been arrested, and now they're looking through rubbish to see if they can they've already found some drugs. But obviously this is where the stash is kept. As I say, this is even as we arrived, it was quite clear the police were very, very tense about entering into this barrio. Lynx thinks we're being watched, so he sends up a drone. He flies it deep into gang territory to see what's going on. What did the drone show you?
There is many people over there in the climb, in the top of the hill, because they are like radars. So they're looking for us. What are we doing? And they have advantage because they are
They're high up.
Yeah, they're high up.
Ecuador doesn't produce drugs. It's a transit country. But it's still on Donald Trump's list of troublesome countries, like its close neighbours Columbia and Venezuela. Ecuador wants to show the president it's doing its bit in this new war on the drugs business. The haul of drugs, weapons, ammunition and money from the raids we joined is pretty impressive. Displays like this are something of a Latin American tradition. Behind the table, also on display, the alleged gang members. Who they know is worth more than all the drugs in front of them. And that is what the Americans want. Stuart Ramsey, Sky News, Guayaquil, Ecuador.